Is starting a towing business a good idea right now? I got an email the other day from a guy looking for help. He says, I'm trying to start a towing business because my other business just went up in smoke. Do you think it's a good idea to start a business with the economy like it is? And if so, can you help me avoid making mistakes down the line? I responded saying that I'm not at all concerned about the economy. There's many factors that point to increased demand for towing. There are traffic accidents are more common due to smartphones and distracted driving. The explosion of online sales means more delivery vehicles are hitting the pavement every day, and the average age of vehicles on the road today has climbed to 13 years. So I told him, yes, starting a towing business is a good idea, but only if you've learned your lessons from whatever caused your other business to go under. I have no idea what happened to his business. He didn't tell me. But until he takes full responsibility and realizes he was the captain of a sunken ship, there's a chance it could happen again. Encouragement comes in many forms, and I would encourage anyone who's thinking about starting a business or growing one for that matter to think about why they want to. Now, the go-to answer for this question might be to say to make more money, but why? Is it to impress your friends? Is it to show the world that you're somebody? Well, if that's the case, you can have the veneer of being successful just by going into massive debt. Banks will loan money to anyone with a pulse. To make it in this business, you've got to have a reason that sustains you. Friends will come and go. Bank loans will persist and suck you dry if you let them. Without the proper motivation, you might just give up. You can find lots of excuses to do that. But if you're providing for your family and working toward financial security, well, these goals will keep you going when times get tough. If you want to learn more and need help growing your business, go to my website and schedule a call. In the meantime, save this video for later and follow my account for more tips.